Hello everyone and welcome once again to our new video. In this video, we are again gonna learn some really awesome and cool stuff about drawing. In the first drawing, as we can see from the video, we are learning how to make a really cute giraffe who has a long neck of course and who is eating leaves. Keep following the steps as shown in the video, and after completing the drawing, we will color it. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn from the video by seeing it how to make a JCB constructing machine. We'll first draw the tires and then the body of the machine, as we can see and learn from the video, and then the crane by which it lifts objects or digs inside the ground, as we can see and learn from the video how to make it. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, which is a really easy and cute one for kids to draw and learn with, we can easily learn how to make a really beautiful and cute deer. We will first start by drawing the face of it, and then the thorns, and then the body. Proceeding forward to the next one of today's video, in which we are using clay. As we can see and learn from the video, we have made a Santa. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, we can learn and see from the video how to make a cute and beautiful elephant, which is a really easy one by which kids can play with and learn, because it is really easy to draw also. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, which is also a really easy one, we will again learn how to make a really beautiful baby girl who has big shiny eyes, small but beautiful hairs, and is wearing a small dress. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn by seeing the video how to make a boy who has big shiny eyes, small hairs, and a cute mouth. As we can see and learn from the video, by following the steps as shown, we will be able to draw this drawing of this cute baby boy who is wearing small shoes. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we can easily see and learn from the video how to draw a baby tiger who is really cute to see. We will keep following the steps as shown in the video. We will first draw the face, and then the body, and then the scales of the tiger. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, in which we are going to learn how to make a cute pig who has a beautiful smile on his face. Thank you for watching the video.